Alright, so in this video, we're going to go over how to install Google Analytics onto your website. With Google Analytics, this is a very powerful tool for all websites that are online because it's going to show where all of the traffic is coming from. It's going to pick up if it's coming direct from Google itself, if it's coming from different social media channels, what keywords are being shown and being typed in to actually land on your website, different demographic information. So it's just a gold mine of data to see where all the traffic is coming from that's going to your website. And this is something that you can also use as a foot in the door offer for getting clients, because sometimes they won't even have Google Analytics on their website, and so they're not getting that important data as far as who's landing on their website. And so this could be a great foot in the door offer that you can charge a local business $100, $200 to set this up, because it provides such great amount of information that's going to be extremely useful for them. So let's go right ahead and set this up here for the crawl space website that I have set up. So let's go sign up for free. Let's put the account name here. Let's go ahead and put in here Construction Pros, because under here we can have multiple different analytics that we're tracking as far as different websites. So we'll just put that in there. Okay, great. And so we'll go to next, and then we want to track web right here. We'll go to next. Okay, so let's type in crawl space Pro Cleaners. Let's put in the website there. Okay, great. The category, let's put in home and garden here, United States. Let's go to create. Okay, we want to accept here. Want to accept here, and then I accept. Okay, great. And so this is the code here that we want to use to install on the WordPress website. So now let's go to our WordPress website here, and we're going to install this here. This is the Google Analytics dashboard by Monster Insights. So let's go ahead and activate this. Okay, great. We don't want any of the pro features here. We just want the standard here. Okay, business website. Okay, great. Connect. And then we want to select the right one. Complete connection. You can see that. Okay, great. Okay, great. Don't worry about any of this. So let's go down. Save and continue. Save and continue. Skip this step. And then we are ready to go. So now we have the Google Analytics installed on the website, and we can actually verify this. So let me go over here and grab this URL, and let's see if we can just type it in over here and see what this shows us here. Okay, great. So we can see that we have the global site tag, remarketing, and then for this one here, it's showing that there's no HTTPS. So basically, the problem here with this one is that it's not secure. However, I do have the HTTPS new SSL certificate on here, but for whatever reason, it hasn't forwarded. Sometimes you got to clear your cache or your browsing history. However, we know for a fact that the Google Analytics is already installed here, and we're good to go. Now, again, this is something that you can also use as a foot in the door offer for businesses. You'd be surprised at how many businesses are not keeping track of their data, their metrics, as far as how many visitors are actually going onto their websites, and being able to use that data to their best interest, right? So they can create different campaigns and fully maximize and optimize, whatever kind of online strategy they may have. So that's going to be it here for this video. That's how you install the Google Analytics onto your website, and we'll see you on the next one.